Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove a lightbox on Wix. This is helpful if we no longer need a pop-up, or if we want to clean up our website's user experience. Let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, if we want to remove a lightbox, also called a pop-up, we just need to click on Site Pages. From there, we can see all our pages, including any pop-ups. If there is a pop-up listed, we simply delete it. Sometimes it appears here, and sometimes it doesn't. It depends on the page, but once we publish our site, it will show up. As we can see, there is a pop-up here. We click the three dots next to it and then click Delete. That's all it takes to remove the lightbox from our Wix website. And that's how we remove a lightbox on Wix. It's a quick and easy way to keep our website clean and user-friendly.